asked me to read the following disclaimer. The following video should not be misconstrued as a manifestation of violent tendencies or psychosis. While it may be debatable whether the following video is funny or in good taste, such humor should not reflect negatively in law or in fact upon myself or my attorney's office, our assignees, estates, bookkeepers, successors, babysitters, unicorns, the guy who passed us on the street this morning, nor any other persons, whether real or imaginary, who may or may not have been mentioned in this disclaimer or any other writing, whether written or otherwise. I'm a divorced father here in Israel, and this is a video of my experience with social workers from the family court. And in this video, you're going to hear the actual meeting that we had that day. But my lawyer says that I'm not allowed to identify the actual social workers. So the parts are going to be played by actresses. The part of social worker number 1 will be played by Helen Thomas. And social worker number 2 will be played by Susan Atkins. Now I selected these two actresses because of their ability to really capture the essence of the two social workers that you will hear. Now to give you a little background, a couple times a week I bring my children over to my house, we play, we have fun, we eat. From time to time I'll bring a neighbor or a friend over and we'll have fun. Everything goes smoothly except one day I invited a friend over who happens to work as a police officer. A police officer, not a drug dealer, not an axe murderer.
These two social workers panicked because they withhold evidence from court that gives a distorted view of my family's case, and they could have been held criminally liable, at least theoretically. So they invited me to their family therapy center for questioning.
It's your house. Why didn't you do it? It's your house. It's your house. It's several times. Why did you do it? You didn't do it. No, there was the nurses, but they came to help you.
Okay, then.
They volunteered to help you because you were not capable to handle the things in your house. And that was the reason. Here, was that policeman on duty?
No.
So why she introduced herself as a policewoman and had shown children a card?
I don't understand what the problem is with the policewoman as a person who's introduced as children. The other people were.
Just now that she is a policewoman.
Yes, yes.
Is it relevant that she is a policewoman to the fact that she was that she came to steal children?
Well,
Just a start explaining.
if I can finish asking the question, then maybe we can resolve the confusion. Is that okay? I don't want to come off as being difficult. I just want to be able to express myself and then be able to resolve what, because I'm not sure I understand why this specific situation is a problem when I've introduced the children to...
Do you really understand, because you, as we saw in the psychiatric evaluation, you are very intelligent.
Yes. Well, thank you.
So, well, that's what the psychologist thought, and I can't imagine that you don't understand the difference
between other
the
people who...
nurses who were there, or the neighbors, or somebody when the children knew she was a policewoman, they wanted to see her ID, and the police is not a neutral institution.
Well, wait. The police is not a neutral institution? Are there any police out there who would like to respond to that social worker's comment? And what made it worse was I was supposed to be going to my doctor's appointment of follow-up surgery. I had a cyst in my sinus about the size of a golf ball.
Please give me yes or no answer. Was she on duty?
I told you she was not on duty.
She was not on duty? So the police didn't send her? No, but she wasn't on duty, so why did she come to your house?
Well, why not? I don't understand what the problem... I
She's
really
a friend
don't...
of the family, she's a friend of yours. Why was she judgmental with her stick towards you
I don't think she was judgmental.
Yes. She said you're doing very nicely, you're a good father, you're playing the children very nicely.
What should she have said?
If I can't and I don't think you don't, maybe it's because of your teeth, but I don't think you understand what's going on.
Well, I guess you have to understand my discomfort, and I'm feeling attacked here, and this isn't the first time that I've felt like this. I mean, I do feel like I've not been treated fairly for the last year. I'm still trying to be as cooperative as I can and as straightforward as I can. But I feel like I've answered your question several times. I feel like if you don't trust the answer I've given, you could ask the police if they sent somebody to my house.
You play it very as it's innocent. But if you say to everybody, there's your policeman, you make an atmosphere. And if she's not on duty, then she can't, if she wants to show her pistol or to say, well, I'm a policeman, that's in the right in the Wild West and everything.
You notice I didn't say Richard?
So we don't understand what was her action. And you have to understand that as we are responsible for the organization, you may say that this is it shouldn't be, you're the best part of the world, you shouldn't be supervised, and so on. In the meantime, that's our task. If something very in our strange happens, we have to ask you. This is not an attack. If you feel it as an attack, it's your problem.
Okay.
Because we don't attack you, we ask you. And you feel attacked by us, it's our task to ask. You, as you work with juveniles and so on, did you ask people? Of course you did.
Okay.
If you really know the word, you know you should ask. Because this is really very weird. We won't get any further. Okay.
And there's so much I wish I could say. I should say it every day, but sometimes things get in the way. So I'm gonna take a moment, and if you should ever go away, I could never be the same. I love you more than words can say, and I think that you should know it. You help me keep smiling, keep shining, knowing I can always count on you. For sure, that's what dads are for. For good times and bad times, you'll be on my side.